Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where the USB is randomly disconnecting and reconnecting, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So here's what you have to do. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand it if you want to. Expand the list for universal serial bus controller. So there's something called as USB root hub. Right click on it, select properties, go to the power management tab. There's an option here which says allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Uncheck it. Okay, repeat it for all of the USB root hub options here one by one. All of them, like I have 5 of them, so I will remove it for all 5 of them. Now I'll tell you what happens. Whenever the computer wishes to save power, if it is on the balanced mode, it will turn off the USB device, and that is why we will turn off this option. Okay, and after turning off this option, right click on each one of them and select update driver. Search automatically for drivers, all of them. All the drivers should be updated, and once we update these drivers, it should be fixed in most of the cases. But if it is not fixed, then that could be a problem with the power management of the system, and in this case you will have to power cycle your system. So pull out the power cables, shut down your system, then press the power button continuously for 30 seconds. Like if you press it once and leave it, it turns on the computer. So press it continuously for 30 seconds. Your computer will not start. Then you will hear a beep sound at some stage, which means that the capacitors are discharged. After that, you can plug in the power cables again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.